When a guest has booked an allergy room, we should do an extra check before arrival. Use the method card as a checklist and follow it step by step. This will support you in your daily work and when training a new team member or colleague. And last but not least, secure the guest experience of an allergy room at Scandic. In this movie, we will show you how and also explain why. Use the equipment that is intended for allergy rooms only to prevent moving acceptable dust from fur into the allergy room. The equipment should be marked and kept in a storage close to the allergy rooms. It's important to get fresh air into the room. If you can, open a window and ventilate for as long as you can before the guest arrives. Mites do not like fresh air, so by opening the window, you will keep down the number of mites. All fabrics select dust over time. To give the guest an optimal stay, we bring in fresh allergy washed bed fabrics. And we do not use bedspread, decoration pillows, or any rugs at all. It's important to start from the top since the dust falls down. In order to get a good working position, use the telescopic mop. Avoid working with your arms above your head as much as possible to spare your shoulders. The ventilation very often collects dust. To get the maximum fresh air in the room, it's important to keep them clean. Use a vacuum cleaner with a HEPA filter or similar allergy-friendly models. The extra filter will prevent the dust from getting out of the machine, which a regular vacuum cleaner does. We vacuum extra to secure that the dust from the walls and the curtains and the bed will not spread in the room. Finish by vacuuming the floor. Bring new duvets, pillows, mites protection, and fresh towels. Make the bed. If you use mites protection, the pillows and the duvets does not have to be washed as often. Also, the protection prevents the mites from spread into the fabric. Then put the new towels on the bed. Check that the ventilation and other areas in the bathroom are dust-free. If you find mold in a room, it cannot be used for an allergic guest until it has been deep cleaned. Dust all surfaces in the room, desk tables and alike with a light damp cloth, and then mop the floors with a light damp mop. Finish with the bathroom. We do this additional dusting and mopping to get the last of the dust out of the room after making a bed. We use a cloth only with water in it, no need for chemicals. Take out all cleaning equipment and bring in the face products and the information hanger. In many cases, we do not know what type of allergy the guest has. Today it's quite common that people are sensitive against strong smells and perfumes. That's why Scandic offers a non-scented range of products from Face. Place the products on the basin and put the hang tag with information on the regular soap dispenser. In that way, the guest will easily see the information. Do not remove regular face dispensers from the room unless the guest is really allergic and asks us to do so upon arrival. Close the window and if it's possible, adjust the temperature to between 20 and 24 degrees. This range of temperature is an optimal climate for many allergic guests. Good, now we're done. But before leaving the room, do one last visual check. Are all steps done? Perfect! Now you can inform your leader that the room is ready for the guest.